Sword. Fish. Swordfish. Swordfish. A large, fast fish with a sharp, pointed bill. Door. Knob. Doorknob. Doorknob. The round handle you twist to open a door. Star. Gazer. Stargazer. Stargazer. Someone who loves watching stars at night. Mud. Slide. Mudslide. Mudslide. A mass of wet mud that slides down a hill. Cork. Screw. Corkscrew. Corkscrew. A spiral tool used to pull corks from bottles. Jelly. Roll. Jelly roll. Jelly roll. A rolled sponge cake filled with jam or cream. Toad. Stool. Toadstool. Toadstool. A wild mushroom often found in forests, usually poisonous. Fox. Glove. Foxglove.
Bruh.
Foxglove. A tall wildflower with bell-shaped purple blooms. Candy. Floss. Candy floss. Candy floss. Fluffy spun sugar on a stick, also called cotton candy. Quick. Sand. Quicksand. Quicksand. Wet, loose sand that pulls you down if you step in it. Jaw. Breaker. Jawbreaker. Jawbreaker. A super hard round candy that takes forever to eat. Bee. Hive. Beehive. Beehive. A structure where bees live and make honey. Knee. Cap. Kneecap. Kneecap. The small round bone at the front of your knee. Cry. Baby. Crybaby. Crybaby. Someone who cries or complains way too much. Crow. Bar. Crowbar. Crowbar. A metal bar used to pry things open by force. Dumb. Bell. Dumbbell. Dumbbell. A short weighted bar used for strength training. Blow. Fish. Blowfish. Blowfish. A fish that puffs up into a spiky ball when scared. Feather. Weight. Featherweight. Featherweight. The lightest weight class in boxing. Hot. Dog. Hot dog. Hot dog. A sausage in a bun. A popular street food snack. Bull. Frog. Bullfrog. Bullfrog. A big, deep-voiced frog found near ponds and rivers.